What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So this is my second time trying to make this video. I was here at Bro MX a few weeks ago, and I was gonna make a video just talking about my bike and what's been done to it. So you guys can probably tell by the title. So I got it fully rebuilt. I had a top end, and then I had the suspension serviced as well. And I've gotten quite a few comments in the videos, in past videos, about like if I've done a top end, this, that. So I was just gonna basically outline what I've had done, what it cost me, and stuff like that, because I know you guys are curious. But I also know a lot of you like to see riding videos. So first, we're gonna go to Bro MX. I'm gonna get some GoPro footage, and then at the end of the video, I'm gonna talk about what's been done to the bike and what it cost me. So I'll see you guys at the track.
All right, we're out here on the track.
Sammy's filming.
There's a slight delay. We'll call it a rain delay. And we're mapping out the route. What are we thinking, Joe?
Outside all the way.
Outside.
All right, so look at these ruts. Look how deep they are.
The little rain that's going on is sprucing up the dirt. Feels pretty good. Look at these ruts. It's a gorgeous fall day. Look at the mountains.
Hey guys, going out for my third moto. First two I felt iffy. We'll see how this one goes. Track's a little slick in spots. Well, otherwise pretty good. Some of the lines are a little weird right now, but look at this line. Alright guys, so I hope you liked some of that riding footage. Got some good third person and then some good GoPro. I was riding okay, a little iffy. Bro MX is a sick track, but sometimes it's a little difficult if you're not riding good. The ruts will really throw you off. So, but anyways, like I said, you guys wanted to know about my bike and what I've had done and what it cost. So the bike has been running great. It was running great before I had the top end done, but I was racking up the hours, so I just wanted to do it as like preventative maintenance. And I know a lot of you guys subscribers are local, so I had my bike built by Dango Racing, and I'm just gonna say right off the bat, great guys. Definitely 10 out of 10 recommend if you guys are in the area and looking to get some bike work, any bike work. Super cool guy, fair, honest, and I've had a good experience so far. The bike's been running great. So breaking it down, first things first, the top end. Due to COVID, so originally we were just going to do OEM parts, but due to COVID, we couldn't get them. So the piston I got, it was I believe it's the Wiseco. It's like a Wiseco piston. It was their like most expensive one. It has like some special coating and some ring, special coating on the ring. So that was like $330. So a little bit more than OEM, I believe. So parts. So the total for the top end, it cost me like $860. Parts was about $540. So the piston was $330. I had an hour meter put on there, and then like a spark plug was $30. Coolant, oil. So yeah. So about, let me look here. I'll put it on the screen as well. My receipt. So the labor was like $300, which seems about fair. Like I said, definitely recommend Dango if you guys are in Western Massachusetts. And then as far as the suspension goes, my fork seals started to leak. So I wanted to get the forks done. I didn't have it revalved or anything. I just had it serviced. So new fork seals, fresh oil. But I figured if he's going to service the front, I might as well have him service the rear shock as well. So in total, that was like $550. Again, parts are about half that price. So, excuse me, parts are not, yeah, no, parts are not like half the price, but, no, so like the service, I'll put it on the screen again. So like the fork service kit is like $100, and then labor is like $120. So the forks were probably like cost me like $250, and then the rear about the same. It was also a little more because most guys take their forks and shock off and bring them down. I just brought him my whole bike. I'd rather him just do it start to finish. I think it just works out better that way, so he gets it start to finish. So yeah, so that's what it cost me. Bike's been running great. Hopefully here pretty soon we can get a new bike. Obviously, as you guys know, COVID stuff is hard to get. So we'll see what happens. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Should I get a new bike or should I keep riding this? And yeah, if you're new around here, subscribe, smash that like button, and I'll see you guys in the next one. If you guys have any questions also, let me know down in the comment below. But I'll see you guys in the next one. Deuces.